of ISRO. Good afternoon, sir. Many thanks for speaking to us on Times Now. What is the Chandrayaan 3 mission all about as per you? And if you'd want to quickly come in on this latest development we're picking up of the lander module separation from the propulsion module.
Well, as you know, ISRO has set upon its goal for planetary exploration, and this Chandrayaan 3, with the soft landing on the lunar surface, is going to be a significant milestone in our planetary exploration program. Earlier, we have sent our spacecraft. It has gone around the moon and mapped the lunar surface. And also by remote sensing, we have assessed the type of minerals which are there. And again, we have the first to confirm the presence of water on the moon. Now, this mission, we are expecting the lander to have a soft landing on the surface of the moon, and the rover will go around, take very close pictures of the objects there, and more than that, try to map the mineralogy using some of the sensors, and try to look for some seismic vibrations and so on. So it's a very important experiment, scientific experiment, as well as demonstration of our technical capability. And this is going to be the stepping stone towards our future planetary exploration.
Okay. Well, Mr. Nair, up next is going to be, of course, the deboosting phase, and thereafter the soft landing on the surface of the moon, which is scheduled for the 23rd of August. But so far, what do you think, in your opinion, have been the main objectives that the mission is aimed at?
Well, one thing, to reach another planet and have a soft landing can be the beginning of human space exploration at a later stage if you need. That again, very cautiously we had to observe the surface and the lander and so on. So this is a technology demonstration towards that. More than that, the dark side of the moon, which is not explored much. We are landing there and they're trying to get samples and try to get an assessment about the minerals and deposits there. This will throw some light about the origin of the moon and how it spun off, and what was the original condition of the Earth at the time, and so on. So that will enhance our scientific knowledge as well. More than that, confirming the presence of helium-3 or the other elements are going to be a potential commercial use for the future. If we want to really excavate those minerals and bring here, it's going to be the starting point.
Okay, so there's lots that we're watching out for in the results of the same expected once the soft landing takes place. And that's exactly where Chandrayaan 2 had to face a lot of challenges, Mr. Nair. In comparison to Chandrayaan 1 and 2, how has Chandrayaan 3 progressed so far, in your opinion?
Well, certainly Chandrayaan 1 was a tremendous success in many respects. India was the first country to reach the moon in its first attempt itself. But more than that, the host of instruments which we carried on board has helped us to confirm the presence of water, not the trace of water on the surface. So thing has been done, elements which are present there has been identified, so which perhaps will help us in future exploitation of the minerals for our natural consumption as well. So then onwards, naturally the remote observation has got its own limitation. So to confirm and calibrate that, this landing operation was planned, and that was attempted about 4 years back. But unfortunately, in the last minute glitch on that has made the mission a partial success. And this is really completing the part 2 of the Chandrayaan 2 mission, named as the Chandrayaan 3 today.